Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So we're going to start off with this e.l.f. mineral infused primer, and we're just going to get a few pumps on our hand just like this, and we're going to put it all over our face. It's kind of like lotion, moisturizer, just to start. So this is what it's looking like. Next we're going to go in with our Maybelline Fit Me foundation. For me, I use two different shades because I have to mix two to get my perfect shade. So I usually just put it on the back of my hand like that, and then I'm gonna start blending it into my face with a beauty blender. So you want to make sure that you're really blending out the foundation and making it even across your skin. So just keep on blending. Okay, so next we're going to be doing our brows. I have here a ColourPop eyebrow pencil. It has a spoolie on the end, so you can see me here just brushing up my brows, and then I like to smooth them at the top there. And then here I'm just filling them in where I see it's needed. And I don't like to make my brows too dark. I like to make them look as natural as possible, so I don't really fill them in too harshly. Now we're going to be using the LA Pro Girl concealer just to clean up our brows. If we made any mistakes, we can fix that here, and this just makes them look a lot neater and sharper. So now we're just going to blend it out, and I just use my finger just because that's easiest for me. So we're just going to blend it out just like this. Okay, so next we're going to use some of that concealer to put in our under eye area. So what this is going to do is help to cover up my dark circles and like just kind of brighten up that area right underneath my eyes. Now we're going to just blend it out with that same beauty blender we used for the foundation, and just going to blend it all the way out. So after we do that, we're going to do some setting, and I have here the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I don't know if this is the best powder, but I like it. So we're going to just set underneath our eyes where we put the concealer. I don't really use a lot, but I use enough to where like it won't crease. And then I also just do it like right along my chin, and this to me kind of gives a contour look. I mean, in this video I don't do any contour, so this could be an alternative to doing that. Okay, so then we're just doing a little bit of baking. We're gonna leave the powder on for just a little while. Now we're gonna go back in with that LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we're gonna use it for an eyeshadow base. So I just put it all over my eyelid, just like so. And then we're gonna just blend it out. I blend it out with my finger once again, just because that's what's easiest to do. Okay, now we're finally getting into some eyeshadow. We're using the Morphe 35W palette. So this look is gonna be like very simple, a nice everyday, like wearable look. So before we get into that, we're gonna dust the setting powder off. I just use like the big fluffy brush. I mean, you can use any kind of brush. You just want to make sure that all the powder is dusted off your face before you start doing anything else. Now I'm going to take this blending brush and we're going to go in with our transition shade. It's going to be like that light brown shade right there that I'm showing you. And we're going to put that all in our crease right there and make sure we just blend it out really nicely. Now I'm going in with another blending brush and we're going to take this orange shade and kind of put that in the same spot. And with this shade, I'm going to pack on a lot of the shadow just because I want this color to stand out the most. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this peachy shade and we're just going to put that right above the last color we just put in. Really this is just going to help blend out the edges of that orange color, and I really like how it looks paired with it. So we're just going to take that and just blend out the orange. Okay, so next, just using my finger, we're going to go in with that gold shade and we're going to put that right on the lid. Put it all over and just continue to blend that out as well. Now I'm going to take this black eyeliner and I'm just going to line like the top of my eyelids like that. Just because I think it gives it a better look whenever I do this. So now I'm going to take like this small flat brush and we're going to go in with like a dark brown shade from the palette. And then we're going to take that and put it on our lower lash line. Okay, so you guys, I added some lashes and a little bit of highlight off camera. So now I'm just adding lip gloss, like the final touches. Okay, so that's the final look, you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and share my video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.